In Russian, не могу, не literally translates as I can not. Confused? Let's break it down with a lot of examples. The phrase не могу, не is used to express that someone can't help but do something. It emphasizes the inevitability of the action. Не могу не съесть этот торт. I can't help but eat this cake. Now, try to translate the sentences by yourself and see if you did it correctly. Pause the video if you need to do so. Не могу не выпить кофе утром. I can't help but drink coffee in the morning. Я не могу не купить ей подарок. I can't help but buy her a present. Не могу с вами не согласиться. I can't disagree with you. Не могу не спросить. I can't help but wonder. Я не мог не поделиться этим видео. I couldn't resist sharing this video. So remember, не могу не means you just can't help but do something. Use it to emphasize those irresistible actions. Hope you enjoyed learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips. Till the next time.